Hi traders, if we look at this Dow Futures daily chart with the trend line here, you'll see on Friday we just opened and closed and sat on that trend line. This is the range of 2012 so far. We've got the highs and the lows. So if we close below this trend line here, close below 12,325 say, I would short a pullback and look to see if we could drop all the way down here. If I get my whiteboard up a moment. Okay, so if we close down here, somewhere in this region here, I short a pullback this area here and see if we can come down here, close below the 50 EMA. You already had a 50 EMA test. So next time we come down to 50 EMA we could fail and easily come all the way down to there for, if we get that, that would give us something of like about, that's 600 points, that's roughly 600 points there, and the risk is nominal. I would have a stop just above these highs here and see if I can get down here. Right, I think we are struggling up here. There's a very narrow range with the downgrades in France and Portugal on Friday. I mean, the charts are telling us that time could be up anyway. The other signal is, of course, let me just stop this a second. The other signal is, of course, this dollar index. So we closed above this area here on Friday, showing great strength in the dollar. I mean, a rising dollar is bad news for commodities and the indices, and this strength is showing through. So if we look at the weekly, well, look at the monthly dollar index. This is the major resistance at 84 on the index. We're currently just under 82. I think this 50 EMA will break or give, and we'll at least see 84. Okay, plenty of scope in the RSI for further move to the upside. Unlike a lot of charts, the dollar doesn't tend to, or particularly in the monthly chart, doesn't tend to respect the 50-day moving average, and so looking for greater movements. So I am getting ready to short the Dow, and I think whenever the Dow breaks, if you're just a pure forex trader, this is a chart to look at, the US dollar CAD. I think we've got a really nice compression of price here. If I can just draw this, the most recent trend line is here, the most recent support is here. I think we're going to move around in this area here. I think we're going to pull back here on Monday when the US is shut, and so we get a pullback here. I think this could bust up. If you want to wait for confirmation, you either take it on the break of that bar or wait until we break the trend line. Hopefully get a pullback, because I think that's going up to the highs. I think we could be getting back to 105, 106 on the basis of this, just this area of compression. But either wait until Monday's close, or I'm just going to increase my position size and a pullback here to see if that can go. Okay, hope that helps. If you want the full video with a much wider range of charts and options for trading, then let me know, because you can have a free trial for 2 weeks. Alright, have a good weekend, happy trading, and see you in the next update.